Good morning everyone. How are you my English Knights students? Today I am here with a new word, the word of the day. Could you tell me what is the day of today? It is Sunday and the date is 23rd May 2021. Students, before starting I would like you to share this video if you like this, and don't forget to press bell icon and subscribe my channel so that you may get my latest videos. Okay, let me start now. Today's word of the day is frown. It is a verb. Frown. Repeat with me. Frown. In UK accent, the pronunciation of this word is in UK FRAUN, frown. In US accent, frown. In Indian accent, frown. Indian English accent is frown. UK accent, frown. US accent, frown. It means त्योरी चढ़ाना. आपने कई बार लोगों को देखा होगा गुस्से में जब होते हैं तो एक आईब्रो जो होती है उनके ऊपर नीचे हो जाती है, हिलती हैं, तो दिस इज कॉल्ड फ्राउन. In English, we can say bring your eyebrows together so that lines appear on your face above your eyes. That is theory चढ़ाना. In an expression in anger, disapproval or worry. कई बार लोग गुस्से में लाल पीले हो जाते हैं, गुस्से में theory चढ़ा लेते हैं. कई बार जब उन्हें कोई काम पसंद नहीं आता तो वो अपने disapproval में थ्योरी चढ़ा लेते हैं. कई बार चिंता में कि पता नहीं अब जाने क्या होगा. Let me tell you the synonyms of frown. Synonyms for frown: glare, glower, grimace, pout, gloom, sulk, cloud up, scowl. Have you repeated with me? If you didn't repeat, repeat with me. I am telling you again. Glare, glower, grimace, pout, gloom, sulk, cloud up, scowl. Now let me tell you the antonym for frown. Antonyms means opposite word. Opposite words for frown: grin, condom, smile, encourage, approve. Repeat with me. Grin, condone, smile, encourage, approve. Did you repeat with me? Okay. Now let me tell you the use of frown. She frowned at me. The another sentence is, on reading the notice board, the students frowned at the school management. Don't frown, it does not suit on your charming face. Let me repeat now. Frowned at me, Reading the notice, the students frowned at the school administration. Don't frown, it does not suit on your charming face. Okay students, thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get my latest videos. Okay, till then, bye. Have a nice day.